have the bed frame in place. As you can see, the orangey cherry color has now disappeared, and we have kind of a gray undertone that goes much better with the space. As you can see, the whitewashed gray baskets, the gray and the crisscross of the rug, as well as even these grayish pillows, all help pull this together. Because the profile or height of an antique bed is often lower, we're doing a few tricks here. These are just regular old Euro shams from IKEA. They range from $6 to $10, but when we want to give the illusion of a taller headboard, we can use 3 of these. When we really want the light to come in, we can take them away. So I'm going to set up this bed to show you how to give the illusion of a taller headboard just by using a few cheap pillows.